Alright guys, here's our KLX110 stock spring versus the BBR heavy duty spring. Normally when you're talking about springs, more winds is better. That's just a super general way to look at it. It usually means a more quality spring, and as you can see, this BBR has at least twice as many winds than this OEM one. So and it's just a heavier spring, so should be a big improvement on this KLX110. I'm going to show you guys the difference between the BBR damping rod set for the KLX110 DRZ110 and the OEM one. You can see how much longer that is. That's about an inch and a half more of height you're going to get there. So should be a substantial upgrade. All you have to do is swap over the spring and this little piston band right here and put it back in. So yeah, should help it out a lot. Now guys, we've just installed the BBR damper rod kit and the heavy duty fork spring, and you can see the difference. The BBR tuned fork is on the left and the stock fork is on the right, so you can see the difference in ride height we've gained, and this should be a big improvement over stock.